Hi dear students, I think the first video of Geography Mission 16 reached you and you enjoyed well and you got something from that video. The mission of this video is to reach the 16 marks in SSLC board from geography section, and I make series of videos related to different sections of SSLC in the social science subject. I am Prasanna Kumar Belgi, social science teacher, Kitturani Chanamma Residential School. Here are the titles given or the other names for the particular things in your textbooks. The rainy season. See, the rainy season is also called southwest monsoon season. The retreating monsoon season is also called northeast monsoon season. Our India's climate name is tropical monsoon. Our black soil is also called Regur and black cotton soil. The tropical deciduous forest, so this is also called as monsoon forest. The Himalayan rivers are Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus. Then the peninsular rivers of India are Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, the Kaveri. The Bakranangal project reservoir name is Gobind Sagar. So Tungabhadra's reservoir name is Pampa Sagar. Rihand Valley project's reservoir name is Govind Balbant Pant Sagar. The New Mangalore is also called the gateway of Karnataka. The New Mangalore, it is a port and it is also called the gateway of our Karnataka. Mumbai is also called the gateway of India, Cottonopolis of India, Manchester of India. Kochi is the queen of Arabian Sea. Chennai is an artificial harbour. Visakhapatnam is the deepest landlocked port. So now, dear students, from now onwards we learn about the defining concepts in the geography section. Like dunes. What are dunes? So dunes are the flat bottom longitudinal structural valleys. Soil is the thin surface layer of earth comprising intermixed mineral. Then the removal of topsoil or top layer of soil by natural agents or man-made. It is called soil erosion. Soil conservation means protection of soil from erosion and preservation of fertility of soil. The forest means a large area of a land covered with trees and undergrowth. Conservation of forest means the prevention of destruction, overexploitation of forest and its management. Wildlife sanctuaries is a place where protection is given to the wildlife. National parks are the extensive area which is specially protected to preserve its natural beauty, wildlife, forest for public recreation and scientific interest. Biosphere reserve means a special category of protected area of land or coastal environment. For is given, it is or, it must be or. Spelling mistake is there. Irrigation, it means artificial supply of water for the purpose of agriculture. Agriculture, it means tilling of soil or a land for raising the food crops and raw materials needed to human beings. fallow land is the land which is not used for cultivation for 2 or 3 years. Cultivable wasteland is the land which is not taken up for cultivation due to certain difficulty of soil. Commercial farming is a system of farming in which crops grown for market purpose. Mixed farming means agriculture involving in cultivation of crops and livestock rearing. Plantation farming refers to the cultivation of a single crop on a large estate for market purpose. Intensive farming is a method of farming in which a large amount of capital, labor are applied per unit of land. Sedentary farming is a cultivation of a land at fixed location. Shifting farming means cultivation of a land not for fixed location or shifting from one place to another place. Dry farming is a method of farming carried in an area which receives scanty rainfall. Scanty, it means less rainfall. Humid farming refers to the cultivation of crops in the area which receives a sufficient rainfall. Irrigation farming is a method of farming under which crops grown with the help of irrigation. Crop season is the cultivation of crops based on season. So Kharif crops are the crops grown during the rainy season. Rabi crops are the crops which are sown during northeast monsoon season. So jade crop, it is a season where the crops grown in between Kharif and Rabi season. Cropping pattern refers to the portion of an area under different crops at a given time. The intensive cultivation of fruits, vegetables, flower, medical and aromatic plants is called horticulture. The cultivation of flowers for commercial purpose is called floriculture. Transport means movement of goods, services and passenger from one place to another place. The convey of message from one place to another place is called communication. Then inland water transport, nowadays it is playing a limited role because of the development of roads and railway. Geographical information system, it is a computer based system which can accumulate and interpret data on the surface of earth. Global positioning system indicates the location of a stationary or moving object or person through pointing out latitude and longitude and height above sea level. Remote sensing technology collects the information regarding the Earth's surface without touching the object. Wind blows spirally inwards towards the center of low pressure. It is called cyclones. Natural disasters are the natural hazards which create widespread destruction. Flood refers to the inundation of land by river water. Landslide is the sliding of landmass along the along the steep slopes of hills or mountains. Coastal erosion means the sea waves strike the coastal with a great force and erosion takes place. The violent vibration of in the earth's crust is called earthquake. Dear students, now onwards we learn the highest, lowest, longest, largest. The greater Himalaya is the greater Himalaya is the highest range of Himalaya. The Sivalik range is the lowest range of Himalaya. So Himalaya is one of the physical structure of India. The highest peak of the highest peak of the world is Mount Everest. The highest peak of India is K2. The highest peak of Abu Hills of Aravalli range is Guru Shikara. Anamodi is the highest peak in South India. Armakonda is the highest peak of Eastern Ghats. Dear students, if you want to make difference between Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats, Anamodi is the highest peak of South India, as well as it comes in the Western Ghats, and Armakonda, it is the highest peak of Eastern Ghats. The highest recorded temperature of India is at Ganga Nagar, Rajasthan. Dras, Kargil, near Kargil, has the lowest recorded temperature. The highest strict gravity dam is Bhakra Dam. The biggest port of India is Mumbai. Just to recall, Mumbai is also called Manchester of India. Mumbai is also called Gateway of India. It is also called as Cottonopolis of India. And the first railway line took in Mumbai itself, between Mumbai and Thane. The coldest month of India is January. The heaviest rainfall occur in the place of India is Mount Sindram of Meghalaya. Rauli in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan receives least rainfall. Goa state has the least forest area in India. The largest area under the forest is Madhya Pradesh. The largest rice producing state in India is West Bengal. Largest wheat producing state is Uttar Pradesh. The largest terminal port in India, not only in India, in the Southeast Asia is Kolkata. Ganga is the longest river of India. The longest tributary river of Ganga is Yamuna. The longest South Indian river is Godavari. The northern Great Plain is the largest alluvial soil tract in the world. The largest physical division of India is Peninsular Plateau. The second largest producer of tea in the world is India. The third largest cotton producer in the world is India. Rice, wheat, sugarcane. Second largest producing nation in the world is our India. The oldest landmass of India is Peninsular Plateau. The oldest fold mountain of India is Aravalli Range. The oldest port of India is Chennai. The second oldest port of India is Kolkata. The longest dam of India is Hirakud. So dear students, fear less, hope more. Eat less, chew more. Talk less, say more. Hate less, love more. And all good things will be in your pocket. This video, listen the first video of geography section and even second video also. These are the important points. Among these points, it may come in your SSLC board exam. So please watch the first part also. Have a wonderful day.